Okay, hi guys, welcome to this video. I've been doing a few videos about Reddit. In today's topic, if you could take only one photograph for the rest of your life, what would you photograph? I asked Reddit and I have the answers for you here. So it'll be interesting to see what other people think, and I'll be really interested to hear what you would take a picture of if it was the last picture you would ever take. So do let me know in the comments. And as a photographer, this is almost an impossible question to answer. I think personally it would be a photo that consists of my family, albeit it is a bit selfish. Photography is one of mankind's most powerful inventions. It can literally give us a glimpse into the past. To think I can only push the shutter one more time seriously makes me feel uneasy. That was our first comment there from DJ NATO. I fully agree, this thought just came to mind and I had a panic. Then I had to ask Reddit the question. Find the angle, shot, then have someone else take it for you. And someone said this word here, which is DICK pick. So thank you, you got some 5 points there. My online female friend who took her own life when I was 12 years old. Just one picture with her is like living a dream. And Moringinster, yeah, I was expecting some types of comments about family members, things like that. So that's interesting to see. And along that line, someone else said the same. It's a small world, I guess. Why would your friend take his life? There's a few conversations about that and a bit of a story behind it. So I'll put a link to that conversation and the Reddit post as well. So make sure to check it out. Next one, lovely. My husband. So my dog, that broad I married, Julia, whoever Julia is, you're having a comment here on our Reddit page. Take a selfie so that later I can see how much I've degraded over the years. That was a quick look at a post that I posted on Reddit, and those are some answers about your last photograph you ever take. What would it be? Be very interested to hear what you have to say. Make sure to comment below and I'll see you on the next one.